this is just a quick one on what's left to fix on the bike now. Our indicator relay didn't work, and then we went on eBay and we brought the LED one, which still didn't work. So we're giving up with the entire, like, you know, going with only LED indicators. We put the big ones back on. I've basically zip tied them because that's where I do want my indicators eventually, but coming out more. So they're zip tied there. Turn the bike on. We can see now, you know, at least they're working. Front lights working perfectly. That as well, for the time being, is taped on. So things that we need for the MOT now is a support for the headlight, the indicators. I was going to use this, but I now want to just take that bracket off because the headlight holder comes in a few days, and I want to push it as far back as I can to kind of get like a straight line down the bike. The speedo is probably going as well, because to be fair, it don't work anyway, and I don't need it. Like, on 125s it's really easy to find what speed you're going, and you can even just buy little universal ones that'll just plug straight in, so we might do one of them. So for the MOT, we've got to get that light mounted properly, which our bits are on the way. We're going to have to find something to mount the indicators properly, and I'm not sure, but my flash isn't working. Like, the actual high beam itself works if we put the light on full. So if you see the lights on full, so if we do, oh no, it's not that one, okay, it's this one. So if we do, I wonder if it'll let me, if I dull this down. Okay, so if you look at the light, we can get that middle one on. I do need to clean the light, I know, I put too much tape on it. But yeah, basically the actual flash isn't working. We've got our backlight working, everything else works basically. So what we're going to do is, when the headlight holder gets here, we're going to take all the clocks off. Let me just adjust this back. We're going to take all the clocks off. We're going to have a flat end as like possible, because I really want this straight with the forks, because I think with the straight bars it's going to look the best. We are going to spray the forks when the MOT is done. I'm not spraying them before the MOT. We've got to sort something for the front brake. I don't know whether it needs new pads or just adjusting, which I can do, so I don't mind. So yeah, other than that, I mean, there's not much I can really do now until the headlight holder gets here, so I will start another video when that gets here and show you how to set it up with this headlight. So yeah, thanks for watching. Here's a few videos of me on the bike. Peace.